Hey you guys, I know it's been a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and do some press-on nails. I've never done press-on nails, but you know, you gotta have a cuticle tool, and I picked a few kiss nails out. I'm gonna use these clear ones. So to get started, I go ahead and cut all my nails down. After I cut my nails down, I go ahead and get a cuticle tool. I go ahead and put lotion on my nail beds, and then I go ahead and push the cuticles up. And then after pushing the cuticles up, you either want to cut them down or find a safe tool that is going to cut them. I know some cuticle tools come with a cutter. After I go ahead and cut my cuticles down, I go ahead and file the nail beds. Not the actual filing down, but file the nail beds. And this is going to make the press-on nails stick on. So like I was saying, they're going to make the press-on nail stick on better than if you weren't to file the nail bed. After I do that, I go ahead and get me some acetone. Yes, I got a big bottle of acetone. And I'm going to wipe my nails down with it. After that, I go ahead and buff my nails up one more time with the buffer. So if you don't want to buy you a cuticle tool, it actually comes in the box, and some glue comes in the box, and then I believe a lot of nails come in there. I don't know which number it is, sorry. But you're going to go ahead and size your fingers with the nails that are in the box. After you size them up, I go ahead and file the nail and the inside, and this also helps it stick longer. After I file the nails on the inside, I go ahead and put some glue on my fingernails. And I also was trying this out since it's my first time, and I was putting some glue in the fake nail. I did either or. So what helped me better was putting the glue in the inside of the nail. You want to make sure the nail is really, really secure once you're applying it on. Once I am done applying everything, I go ahead and take these little stickies off the end, and then I go ahead with the nail filer and file them down. After I'm finished with that, I go ahead and with a top coat on top of the nails. It's going to give a sleek finish. Then I go in with my favorite cuticle oil, and I got this at my local nail shop. And this is the last process. You go ahead and rub the oil in and it makes it sleep. Thank you for watching. If you would like, subscribe and comment below. Good night.